How to enable dark mode on Instagram. In this quick guide, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Perfect for low light, better battery life and a clean, modern look. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram. Let's open settings. First, open your settings app. Here, tap on display and brightness. Now select the dark under appearance. Like this. Now open Instagram and it will automatically switch to dark mode. It's because Instagram follows your system theme on iPhone, so there is no in-app toggle. You just need to change your iPhone's settings in order to change its appearance. And that's it. You have got a smooth, stylish dark mode on Instagram. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe and ring the bell for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.